Hello, my name is Licia Rivas Torres from course English phonetics, Cat 5 pronunciation practice. Number 1. Rating. Rate the following text with the majors best for pronounced the symbols. Don't forget to add in the metric, intonation, and stress. Teacher protest. The protest last one kid the teacher. What is the Mauler class and the morning? They say that either months and more start in their school cider in their morning. Whoever teacher don't do like that. They say the school and spend money the different things. Number 2. Minimal parts. A minimal purse is a purse of where the variable and line single sound. This sound may confuse English learning. The pronouns. The habit in the might this variation of the sound. Example: cat, bat, with, white, white, with, route, kite, night, tag, strike, coat, coat, pin, tall, pair, this, piece, day, pain, Jim, Pete, Del, Pin, Dat, Back. Tall, car, tool, cool, tap, cup, tom, quad, town, gout, tea, guy, tap, gap, tool, go, tag, gat, table, gable, tin, fin, tile, file, tune, phone, tick, big. Number 3. International on the street, write the following sentence high in the mind the super cement photos. Statement with their strings. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to shine. Statement with 4 strings. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letter very quickly. The teacher told the student a story. Statement with 5 strings. Alex wrote the letter very quickly. Peter is going to London next month. Tanya is riding the boat you brown yesterday. Special question: family intonation. What is your name? What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you like? Friendly interest. Potency raising intonation. What is your name? Where do you like? Why didn't she say? Where are you to be? General question raising intonation. Are you reading book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Rising intonation. Might I speak to she, please? Calling and speak to Michelle, please? I am from your dictionary, please? Alternative question, rising and defiant intonation. Will you come by at 5 or at 6? Down does she read booms in the morning or the night? Will you free today or tomorrow? Chat question, family or the rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They hunt for it high day. You were light, were you? I am some, though it show I. Common tense by intonation. Phrase. Tell me the truth. Hide me your help. Do it yourself. I hear from help. Rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask he to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence. Fighting intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. There's an address rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bow, breathe, shelf, choose, and the mouths. With night paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can. She is. He will. You shall. It cat. He did. Thank you very much.